These tiny creatures seem harmless, but they hold secrets that humans are only beginning to understand. Bees don't just fly from flower to flower. They perform intricate dances to tell their hive exactly where to find nectar. The waggle dance is so precise it can communicate distance, direction, and quality of food, almost like they have a GPS in their tiny brains. A bee's brain is smaller than a grain of rice, yet they can remember faces, solve puzzles, and even count. Scientists still wonder, how can such tiny brains perform such complex tasks? Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found thousands of years old honey in Egyptian tombs, and it was still edible. Is it magic, or a perfect natural chemical balance we still don't fully understand? Bees pollinate 1 in 3 bites of food we eat. Without them, ecosystems collapse, and many plants die. Yet their populations are mysteriously declining, and no one knows the exact cause. The hive works like a single organism. Decisions are collective, leadership rotates, and every bee has a role. It's a social intelligence so advanced, humans still study it for inspiration in robotics and AI. Bees have existed for millions of years, yet they remain one of the most misunderstood creatures on Earth. Tiny, silent, and powerful. They might know more about life than we do. Do you think bees are just insects or guardians of nature's secrets? Follow Mysterious Facts Hub for more hidden truths you never knew.